Hello everyone. This time I want to make chocoreto chocolate drink. So I mean chocolate drink ice. Chocolate drink ice. Let's see the ice. Oh, the ice is more just a little. They already boiled. I still boil water. So chocoreto chocolate drink ingredients contain composition: sugar, cocoa powder, non-dairy creamer, salt, synthetic chocolate flavor, contain potassium sorbate preservative, natural milk flavor, synthetic vanilla flavor. This chocoreto chocolate drink from Mayashi. The company is PT Manohara Asia. Net weight 32 gram. 3 in 1, just add water. Super brand. The serving suggestion. This time I'm going to make ice chocoreto chocolate with ice. So the serving suggestion is pour 1 sachet of chocoreto into 80 ml of warm water. Stir and then add 35 ml of iced water. Okay. Pour 1 sachet of chocoreto. Into 80 ml water. Then pour warm water. I think this is already warm, so pour warm water here. A half of 1 glass, and then stir. And then after stir, mix, put the ice. Here the ice is near empty. Make it all into the glass. Okay, all into the glass. Stir. Stir the chocolate drink the chocolate ice stir using spoon. Make it empty, finish, and okay. Yes, already. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's very delicious. Chocoreto chocolate drink. It's very delicious. I like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment under this video. Thank you for watching and see you next video.